Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Steph, I'm the Secret Slob, and today I'm gonna be doing my all-day cleaning routine with a little catch. Today is probably the busiest day I've had all month, and so I thought, why not make it busier by filming a day in the life? It's gonna be totally hectic, but I really wanna show you how having a system, habits, and routines can help your whole day go so much easier. So it's gonna be pretty crazy for me, but hopefully it's relaxing for you to watch. I don't have a lot of time to talk, so let's just jump right into it.
Good morning. Should we get this day started? It's gonna be really busy. So it's 6:30-ish now. I better get up. I'm gonna do my workout because if I don't do it now, it's not gonna happen.
Since having kids, I found it so much easier just to work out at home. And so I have some favorite YouTubers that I follow along. I'll link to their channels below, but I usually do a 30-minute HIIT workout. It's fast, it's effective, and then it's done.
Okay, all done. I'm gonna go have a quick shower and then I've gotta get started with this day. You ready to get started? Oh yeah, he's ready.
Here's the checklist I use to keep track of all my cleaning stuff, all my to-dos every week. I fill it out on Sundays and then I just check things off as I do them. As you can see, I don't do everything perfectly. There's a lot of empty check boxes, but there's a lot of finished check boxes. And really what this is meant to do is get all this stuff out of my brain onto a piece of paper so I know exactly what I need to do every day and keep everything nice and organized. The first thing on my list is to make my bed. As you know, I don't use a ton of fancy pillows. I just find they get in the way, and this takes me less than a minute to get my whole bed made and I can get on with my day. Once my bed's made, I'm gonna head in and have a shower. My husband's still home, so it's a good time to do it without having to worry about the kids. He heads off to work and I'm heading downstairs to make breakfast for my kids. He already fed the baby this morning. They usually get up a little bit earlier than me and the girls. Girls like to eat porridge. I make this up for them every day and they love it. I myself like to have toast, and so I make myself an avocado toast and usually a peanut butter and jam toast or some combination of that. I'm not gonna have time to sit down, so I'm just gonna keep going as I eat my breakfast. While the girls are eating and the baby's playing nearby, I can keep an eye on them as I eat my breakfast and unload the dishwasher. It's so helpful to have an empty dishwasher first thing in the morning so you can put all those dirty dishes in there throughout the day. Now that that's done and the girls are done eating, I'm going to take them upstairs to get dressed. My husband actually comes home from work to take our youngest daughter to preschool. It's so helpful for me. Because the baby needs to nap, it just makes the whole day so much easier. So I'm going to quickly get my kids dressed, send her off to preschool, and then finish up my hair and probably put on a little bit of makeup.
All right, let's throw some laundry in. Before I get started, I want to say thank you to the sponsor of today's video, Tru Earth. I am absolutely in love with their products. They are saving so much waste from heading into the landfill. And if you haven't had a chance to try out the Tru Earth laundry strips, now is your chance. I have a special code, SECRETSLOB10. You can get 10% off. I'll put the link right in the description. There is no need for us to be shipping giant jugs of soap all over the world. It's mostly water anyways. The second thing I'm going to be using today to cut down on some waste in my laundry routine are these wool dryer balls. They're also from Tru Earth and they're absolutely awesome. They take away all the static just like a normal dryer sheet would, except for they also help your laundry dry even faster, so you're saving money on your energy bill and your dryer isn't using up as much electricity. So it's a win-win for you and the earth. So today is Thursday, that means it's towel day for me. I'm going to be using a full strip of the Tru Earth, but if you just have a small load or something not too dirty, you can rip it in half and get twice the bang for your buck. I absolutely love these products. Thank you so much to Tru Earth for sponsoring this video. I'm so proud to be partnered with this company. Let's carry on with the day.
So one kid is having a nap, one kid is at preschool, and my oldest is just reading a book. I'm gonna take the next few minutes to finish up the rest of my morning routine, and then we can sit down. This year, my oldest daughter is in kindergarten, and we chose to put her in a blended program, so she goes to school 2 mornings a week, and then we do homeschool the rest of the time. I try to do a little bit of something with her every day. We have a great teacher. She puts the whole program together, and basically all I have to do is follow along. All right, baby's up. I'm gonna get him changed into his clothes and take my oldest daughter to her blended kindergarten class. Then I have an hour before I pick up my daughter from preschool.
Where are we at? I am down to one kid. I just did another school drop off. So I have one kid. I have 1 hour until I have to pick up another kid. So I'm gonna make some lunch so when they come home, it's ready to go, and see if I can maybe squeeze in my 15 minutes of zone cleaning. Today's really busy and hectic, and so sometimes I won't do my zone cleaning when days are like this, but I'm really trying to film this day in the life to show you that it can be done. So I'm gonna give it a try. I mean, it's only 15 minutes and I can only do what I can do. Okay, so I'm gonna get my lunch ready for my kids, do my zone cleaning, and then I'm gonna go pick up my other kid. And then I have to go to the dentist. This day is crazy, but it can be done.
We absolutely love eating soups and salads. I have a bunch of vegetables that are starting to look a bit funny in the fridge, so I'm gonna throw them all into a minestrone soup with some bacon, of course. I think it's gonna be really good, and then we have lunch all ready. So this week, my deep cleaning is zone number 4. That's our bedroom. So I'm gonna start in my baby's room. Because he's awake, it's a perfect time to head in there. I'll see if he'll give me a hand, but probably not. I just use my deep cleaning checklist. It's in the description below, and get as much done as I can in 15 minutes. I try to do this every day, but sometimes I pile it all up and do a full hour on the weekend when my husband's home. It just all depends on the week. Okay, the timer's about to go off. I'm gonna get us packed up. We're gonna head out, pick up my daughter from preschool. Then we head over, pick up my other daughter from kindergarten. I have to go to the dentist, so my husband's coming home again at lunchtime to watch our kids, and I'll be back in the afternoon.
Day. All right, we have 2 kids now, so 3 kids, 2 kids, 1 kid, 1 kid, 2 kids. And we knew today was gonna be crazy, so I thought we should have a special surprise. Should we go get the surprise? You ready? Okay, it's gonna be so good. Is there anything in this world that a donut cannot fix? That is so good. Okay, so I just got back from the dentist. We had kind of a crazy whirlwind afternoon where a lot of things happened. So now I'm back and we're just sitting and doing a little craft. So I'll probably just run around, do a really quick power tidy, maybe do a floor check and put my laundry away. That's all stuff I can get done this afternoon. Then we go to gymnastics and then we're going out for dinner tonight. So I don't have to do dinner dishes, but there's a bit of lunch stuff to clean up. So I'll have to take care of that. And then we go to gymnastics and... Okay, let's go.
I try to do a power tidy every day, and this is a trick I actually got from my mom, who got it from my grandma. She said instead of trying to keep up with the kids every minute of every day, following them around, picking up all their little messes, just let them do their thing and then just do one big pickup in the afternoon. A lot of the time I'll get them to help me, but because today they're so busy, I feel like we've been running around nonstop, they're having a little bit of chill time, watching a show before we have to head out again for gymnastics. The last thing I'm gonna do is quickly vacuum the floor. I call this a floor check, and it's something that I added since having my third baby. It's just a necessity because he puts everything in his mouth and it keeps our floor nice and clean. I'll probably stick with it even when he's older though, because it really helps our house look clean and put together, and it doesn't take any time at all. All right, so we went to gymnastics, we went out for dinner with my husband, we came home, put the kids to bed, and now I'm gonna finish up my evening routines. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get all this laundry out, fold it up, and put it away. If I do this every day, it doesn't pile up on me. Even though I didn't have to make dinner, I made that big soup for lunch, so there were some dishes to put away, and the last thing I do before the end of the night, before I put my feet up and watch my favorite show, is shine my sink. My kitchen is ready to go in the morning, it looks great, and I can finally sit down. Whoa, this day was crazy.
Okay, so that's basically my day. As you can see, it was totally crazy. I had a ton of stuff going on, but even still, I was able to get the things I needed to get done. And I think the most positive change for me in my life is adopting this system that helps me feel like I'm in control and that things aren't kind of just building up and I don't know what to do. So especially on days like this, when things are just totally crazy, I don't feel overwhelmed and bogged down with things. I can take control and get the things done that I need to get done. On days when I don't have a lot of stuff, it's super calm and we have tons of downtime. This was an out of the ordinary day. I just wanted to show you that you can still do it even when things are hectic and crazy. You know, I don't get to sit down a lot, but I feel so much better going to bed with, you know, a nice, calm, peaceful house. It's not perfect by any stretch, but we were never aiming for perfection anyways. I hope you enjoyed this content. Make sure you head down to the description. I've linked a few videos I think you might find helpful if you liked this one, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.